went to a fundraiser for CUPS Calgary Urban Project Society about a year ago. And I remember sitting there at their event thinking, I want to give back somehow through my art, but I wasn't exactly sure what that looked like at that time. I just knew that there's something here that speaks to me. So I remember leaving the event thinking, okay, I can donate some art supplies to one of their members there. But I still had this nagging idea of doing something more. So Rita and I met with Porsche, talked about our idea about community and giving back, and Porsche suggested the idea of painting on a Porsche hood. And of course, I got really excited about that because it's something different. So that's where the hood came into be. And then in talking to Carlene more, we decided that we would then do this as a raffle, with CUPS being the beneficiary. I also went into CUPS and worked with some of the women and did some pieces as well that will be in the art show. Again, all about collaboration, bringing people together, just proving to people that everybody is creative.
I was doing my half of the painting. I stenciled in the word Porsche. You can see it in a certain light. You can't see it maybe just when you're looking at it right on. But I was giving a nod to Porsche because it's a Porsche hood and we're having it at the Porsche Center. Michele's bear, I put some bear claws in here, bear scratch marks, just to a nod to her. I know that Michele did each hair individually with a tiny, tiny brush. So she spent a lot more time on it, I say, than I did, because she had to do each hair alone.
So that's how this big blue bear came to be. And Rita with her beautiful abstract, I kind of think two very different artists working together kind of created something really cool. And it's going to benefit Calgary Urban Project Society as well. And then Porsche supporting with the art show and everything.